Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Yoli. I am so happy to be bringing you another tutorial. As always, I am always happy about sharing my passion and love for makeup. Today is no exception, and for today's inspiration, drumroll please, we are reviewing the Norvina palette. Yes, the Beverly Hills. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, this palette right here. I love the packaging. Obviously, it's very velvety kind of material. And when you open it up, of course, these beautiful colors that appear, they blend well, they're pigmented, everything you could want in colors. But the only thing I would say about this palette that I did not enjoy is the fallout, especially with the shimmery colors. And you can see some of the flakes on the palette itself. When I go to dip my brush in, you know, sometimes you get the fallout, and you know, I like to apply a little bit more of a pop once my lashes are on, and unfortunately I got some fallout there, so I had to dust it off. However, other than the fallout, I will say I do enjoy this palette. I really do. And I love to collect palettes. I have a lot of palettes in my armoires and my drawers and all those other places where I keep all my makeup. But yes, this is definitely a palette that I would purchase. I purchased this palette and the Riviera palette. I will be doing a review on the Riviera palette very soon. So definitely hit the notification so you'll know when that video is out. And also, like I say every single time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment below and let me know what you think about this tutorial. So without further ado, I know you guys have all been waiting for this. Let's get this tutorial on and popping, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, so let's get started. The first color that I'm using from the Norvina palette is Soul. And yes, ladies and gents, there is no transition color. This is the color that we are going to apply right onto that crease, and we're going to begin to build that smoky eye. The next color that I'm using is Incense, and I'm using this to buff out those hard edges. This color could also be used as a transition color if you want to before applying Soul, but I used this color right now just to kind of buff everything out and blend it. Next, I'm going in with my Shape Tape Concealer just to kind of cut this crease so we can apply that pop of shimmer right onto the lid. Next, I'm going in between two colors, Wild Child and Rose Gold, and this is to kind of add that shimmer right on top of that cut crease just to make this look pop. This is the part that can get messy, so please take your time with this. There is a lot of fallout, unfortunately. Next, I'm going in with Celestial, and I'm going to apply this at the outer corners of my eyes and then work it inward just to kind of add more color to that shimmer. To add some highlight to my brow bone, I'm going in with Dreamer. To add some volume to my lashes, I'm going to rim my eyes with a Khol Black liner, and I'm just going to rim the outer corners of my waterline. Give me drama. Before adding my false lashes, I'm applying mascara to my eyes using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I must say it's not better than sex, but it does wonders for your lashes. New foundation alert. Yes, I'm so excited when I get to use a new foundation. I don't know about you guys, but I am. And I've never used anything from Marc Jacobs, but this is the first and it won't be the last. I am using the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Light Honey Light Foundation. I had to get that right. Sorry about that. And I must say, I like it. I like the texture. I like the feel. It's very lightweight, but still gives you full coverage. So it's a yes for me. I am also testing out a new concealer, the Hudabeauty Overachiever concealer in cookie dough, and I must say I love the texture of this concealer, and also the application process is seamless. I know I always use the word seamless, but it is, it really is, and I love the coverage. It gives just enough coverage. Of course, I have to use my staple piece for setting powders. Yes, the Laura Mercier setting powder. Who does not use Laura Mercier? I don't know. Who doesn't use her? Give me contour, give me life. This Cheerleader Bronze Squad Benefits Highlight Contour Palette is life. I mean, it smells delicious and it is so pigmented. You could chisel the mess out your face. I mean, contour for the gods. To add a wow factor to this look and complete it, I am using my Azeredo False Lashes in Hollywood. For highlight, I'm going back into the Cheerleader's Bronze Squad palette. I'm just going to add some shimmer to this look to finish it off. So of course I'm using my favorite all-time favorite lip liner from Makeup Forever, and it's the Chestnut Versatile Lip Liner. And I must say that I probably use this, and I say this all the time in every single video, almost every single video. For color to my lips, I'm using one of my matte lipsticks, and I'm just applying that right onto my lips, and I'm using my fingers to kind of buff it out and give it that ombre effect. To finish everything off, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewey Set Setting Spray, and I love it. There you go, there you have it, the completed look using the Norvina palette. I hope that you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you guys so very much.